Hi, my name is Gert.
And I'm Lucille, and we are Kitchen Mart customers.
We have been working with Kitchen Mart for 4 years now and have done 6 different projects, and we're really pleased with all of them. We initially picked Kitchen Mart for our bathrooms. We really did that based on reputation, and people in this area of Gold River that had worked with Kitchen Mart were just extremely pleased with it.
They were on time, they were professional, they cleaned up every day so that you couldn't really tell they'd been here. They knew what the rules of the Homeowners Association was. Everything just went perfectly.
The guys that did all the work here were just a pleasure to work with. They're incredibly flexible, even as the crew was working here during the day.
Occasionally we would see the work going on and think, you know, it would be really good if they could do such and such. And we talked with the project manager and he said, sure, we can do it. And sure enough, they were able to fit it in.
There were very few surprises. Everything was predictable, everything was on schedule. Every project we've had has been finished on time, as planned. And it's because Kitchen Mart owns all their people, they don't have subcontractors. Some of our favorite things actually happened when we were doing our bathrooms. So we have a sink there that is like a big rock. We have a countertop that has river rocks underneath glass. And that was a very unique design. All those bathrooms were finished right before Christmas in 2017. And we had a Christmas party here and almost everybody spent almost all their time in the bathrooms.
Just looking at it, it was so much fun. We have seen projects go awry from our neighbors because they relied upon people who they thought were the cheapest price and things didn't go according to plan and they weren't very careful about what they were doing. We've never had that problem with Kitchen Mart. We recommend them to everybody.